Welcome to NAS Library's AI video series. This video will cover how to use AI responsibly. Using AI responsibly means using it in ways that are safe, honest, fair, and respectful of people and their intellectual output. Here are some practical guidelines. First, verify information, as AI can make mistakes or present outdated information confidently. Double-check facts for medical, legal, financial, academic, or safety-critical topics. Second, protect privacy. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information, passwords, confidential business data, or private documents unless you fully trust the platform and understand how data is handled. Third, be transparent. If AI helped create writing, code, images, or research in a professional or academic setting, disclose it. Fourth, avoid harmful uses. Don't use AI for fraud, harassment, misinformation, impersonation, cheating, or generating dangerous instructions. Fifth, watch for bias. AI systems can reflect biases from training data. Treat outputs critically and consider multiple perspectives. Sixth, keep humans accountable. AI should support decision-making, not replace human judgment in high-stakes areas like healthcare, hiring, law enforcement, or education. Seventh, respect copyright and creators. Use AI-generated content ethically and avoid passing off others' work as entirely your own. Eighth, use AI to enhance skills, not replace thinking. It is strongest as a tool for brainstorming, learning, organizing, and productivity. Remember, human reasoning and responsibility remain central. Thank you for viewing this video on how to use AI responsibly. We hope it was a good learning experience. Should you have more questions, please contact your faculty librarian by sending an email to library@nas.no.